Thank you so much.
Churro, gluten-free, gluten waffle. Courtesy of Grand Floridian. I hope you enjoy.
I do. Thank you so much. You're the best. Bye.
And the manifiesto is a brownie.
Okay.
It's gluten-free, egg-free, and dairy-free. So you can take this one to the
Thank
party Sunday
you.
and halfway frozen.
Thank
And then
you.
you have the chocolate Grand Floridian magical moment cake.
Oh, magical moment. Thank
Yeah,
you.
it's gluten-free too. It contains eggs and nuts just in case.
No
Alright?
problem. Thank you
So
so
get it, right?
much. Oh, you spoiled
You
me.
can share if you want.
I will share. Thank you.
Morning. We have had our breakfast, as you've seen. We are at the club level. Now we are ready and our best to go to the pool. We're gonna chill like little divas that we are, correct?
Yes.
Correct, yes. Let's have a moment for the hat.
I don't know who this person is, folks. I just picked her up off the street. Okay, we've decided to go to the main pool today. So this is a little walk from club level, but not horrible. We took a club level elevator down that brought us right out to Gasparilla. This is the kids splash pad, which is really cute. And then we're gonna head over to the pool, which let's hope we get a seat. We enjoyed our leisure time at the pool. Now we are walking over to, what is the place called again? Wailuku, to sit outside and have some lunch. So as we are walking from Grand Floridian toward Polynesian, this is the Disney Fairy Tale Weddings. This is Franck's. If you remember in the movie Father of the Bride, this is Franck, who is the wedding planner. So this is where you come to do your fairy tale wedding. It looks absolutely beautiful in there. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it makes me want to cry. It's so pretty. Yep. And then there's the wedding pavilion at the Grand Floridian where you would go get married, and you can have Cinderella's royal carriage come around, pick you up, and we've seen those before. Thank you for the fabulous lunch, Miss Jessica. Now we are headed back to the Polynesian, or to the Grand Floridian.
Well, I can't do it.
Oh, I don't think anybody's supposed to. Okay, we are going to head over to Magic Kingdom, even though Madame doesn't want to. Too bad for her. We're gonna try and get on the walk-up list for Tony's. We don't know what we're doing. We're very unprepared.
Everything's changed.
Yeah, we've had a lot of no's, but our concierge was kind enough to find a reservation for a later time at GEO tomorrow, which is what we're going to be doing. And then also, you must request turn down in the club level if you want them to turn your room down, which I forgot all about that. So, the more you know. 9 o'clock show. This is kind of crazy. I am so glad we seen this yesterday. Holy cow. I'm gonna go look at the popcorn since they have a few new treats for the Starlight. So they have a fruity flavored cereal Rice Krispie treat. This is the popcorn, the Starlight popcorn for $16.99. And then this is, I think, the marshmallow pop. It's caramel apple. This looks new. I wanted to see it though. So the nice part about everyone being down here on Main Street is that we can go ride some rides and not have to worry about the waits. Bad. I don't love this wall. I don't love what they're doing. Thank you. Okay.
Leader. His integrity has made him a great one.
Fourscore and 7 years ago.
To the present, once again we place our trust in the idea of a president, as we have from the beginning.
Cute. I wonder, they must not have had this out last night. Oh, they have pins too. They have some exclusive pins. Oh yeah, they're cute actually. I like the Tinkerbell on it. Oh, they light up, Jess. They light up. What? They light up. Hi. At all. There are way too many people here. We decided to leave the madness and come over to Geyser Point so that we can have a little nosh, and then we're gonna possibly go back over to Magic Kingdom and see if we can see the show again. But I've always wanted to eat here. I am going to definitely go for the Bison Burger, which is what everyone always eats when they come here. The Electrical Water Pageant is getting ready to start. It's 9:30. And it should be coming by soon. We saw it moving out earlier. She's so cute. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Can I get an extra aioli? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Come back in.
As close to that train station as possible.
And it's wild.
And up towards the tunnel to
Absolutely wild. We came back for an encore, but I'm not gonna sit here and film it because we already did. So thank you for following along today. Like, subscribe, and do all the things.